Transparency Options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And again, markets continuing the kind of buying that started on Friday. And if you see, right, markets are now at a place where either they will break this area or they will go ahead and take resistance from here. As I said in the weekly analysis video also, this will be the best area for you guys to go ahead and take a selling position, right? And markets have arrived over here. Nifty on the other hand, if you see, right, as I said, this will be the best area for you to sell, but Nifty has definitely been way more bullish, right? And I also, when I saw Nifty, coming near this level, and when I saw Bank Nifty also, showing slow buying in the start, so that's why I decided to take a chance over here and sell, right? And my stop loss was at 25 points and it got hit over here. No problem. Tomorrow I'll once again try to go ahead and sell once more just above 45,800, right? So tomorrow if we open flat and start crossing 45,700, what you guys can do is you guys can take a small trade of buying till 45,800. But if you don't want to take it, that's fine, because that's just a 100-point move that you could get a bit, you could get a fast move till 45,800. But but I would not recommend you guys to go ahead and take that trade with full quantity. What rather you guys can do is, if you start seeing price action being made above 45,800, negative price action being made above 45,800, then you guys can go ahead and take a selling position over here, because this is a very good area where there will be a lot of sellers waiting for market, for buyers to take the market up till over here, and then those sellers will come and take a selling position. If that happens, then you guys can go ahead and make a start making bearish trades over here, or start taking bearish trades over here for lower targets of at least 45,500 first of all, and then bigger targets of even 45,000 by the expiry, right? Talking about on the downside, if we open with a gap down, with a big gap down somewhere near 45,400, then we'll wait for the first 5 minutes, and as soon as the low of the first 5 minute candle is broken, then we'll go ahead and take a selling position. Why so? Is because if you see, markets have closed bullish, definitely have closed bullish. Now if we open with a gap down, then things will definitely not be good for the buyers, and the buyers who have bought in this up move over here will get trapped, and then we could see a very good sell-off. So we'll wait for the first 5 minutes. So we'll wait for the first 5 minute candle. Once the low of the first 5 minute candle is broken, then we'll go ahead and take a selling position. Our target will straight up be 45,000, because I think we can see a very good sell-off coming from here easily till 45,000, right? If we open with a very big gap up somewhere near 45,900, then we'll do nothing, right? Then we'll wait for the markets to decide where it wants to go. Maybe there things will then get volatile over here, so we'll do nothing if we open with a very big gap up, right? Again, if you open with small gap up somewhere near 45,800, 750, all these levels, then we'll wait for the markets to go above these levels and start making bearish price action, and then we'll take a selling trade in Bank Nifty, right? Talking about Nifty over here, if you guys can see, just give me a second, yeah. Talking about Nifty, if you guys can see, markets have, again, Nifty has been way more bullish than Bank Nifty, right? So over here, we'll not think of selling in Nifty. Rather, if we want to take a buying trade, we'll take a buying trade in Nifty. And if you want to take a selling trade, we'll take a selling trade in Bank Nifty. So tomorrow, if you want to go ahead and take a bullish position, there is not really very good scope in Nifty, because there is 19,800, then there is 19,850. So there is not a clear range on the upside. So on the upside, we'll not take any sort of a trade, because things could go a bit volatile on the upper hand over here. If we open with a gap down somewhere near 19,650, 19,600, all these levels, then we can go ahead and take a very good selling trade over here. Our target straight up will be 19,000, near 19,500 on the downside. We'll wait for the first 5 minutes candle. Once the low of the first 5 minute candle is broken, then we'll go ahead and take a selling trade in Nifty, right? Again, if you open with a small gap down both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we'll do nothing over there also, because then also markets could go up a little more and then start showing selling, right? Talking about Fin Nifty, tomorrow is Fin Nifty's expiry, right? And if you see on the upper hand, we have 20,440, 450, all these levels. So until then, since FinNifty has a very good kind of a good space over here on the upside, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade once we cross 20,360, and you can take it till 20,400, but do not take it with full quantity because there are multiple resistances on the upside. On the other hand, if you open up a big gap down below 20,260, any sort of a gap down below 20,260, you can go ahead and take a selling position over here. Your target first of all will be 20,200, but you can also hold for bigger targets of even lower levels. So you can go ahead and maybe sell calls of 20,200 or 2250, all these levels, for them to go to zero, right? Although always make sure to not hold your selling position, option selling positions till zero. Remove them once you kind of captured like 80 or 90% of the premium, because for them to go to zero is a lot of time. You need to wait till the end, and maybe till the end you might see a reversal, right? There may be a reversal, there may not be a reversal. Again, I'm not saying that in the end there will be a reversal, but get out after you captured like 80 or 90% of the premiums, because it's really not worth it to take that extra risk for maybe 4 5 6 rupees extra premium, right? Again, if you open with a very big gap up somewhere near 20,400, then you can make far OTM strangles, maybe 20,500 by selling 20,500 call and 20,300 put, and just holding it for the rest of the day, because maybe things might be volatile, but they may be a little bit consolidating, right? So that is if you open with a very big gap up, right? Again, if you open with a small gap up, then same thing with Bank Nifty. As I said, we'll wait for negative price action. Once we see negative price action, then we'll go ahead and take a bearish trade in FinNifty also, right? So I guess that was it for today. Tomorrow will be the decider day, because tomorrow the market will be coming, if we open flat or with a small gap up, market will be coming near this crucial area, right? And this will decide that are sellers active or are sellers not active. Because if the sellers will be active, we'll see a very good sell off tomorrow, also tomorrow itself, and we could see Bank Nifty again coming near this low and closing over here, right? So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Another thing that I forgot to mention is that I have fractured my hand. So again, my dominant hand I cannot use so much, right? So I'm filming, so like I'm making this video with the other hand. So that's why if you feel like the video is a bit slow, right, then you can go ahead and maybe go ahead and increase the speed of the video, right? So again, there may be a bit of inconsistencies in uploading videos for the next 2 to 3 weeks, but I'll try my best to still keep consistently uploading every day, right? So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.